Hello guys, welcome to Tech Helpline. Today I'm going to teach you how to sign up on Snapchat. So all you need to do is head towards your browser and then type sign up on Snapchat, press enter and then click on sign up with Snapchat. Now fill up the information and the username, any username you like, and fix any password and your email and date of your birth and year. Now solve this puzzle by picking any kangaroo, heritage, and heritage. So the verification is complete. So when I click on sign up and accept, it will curate my account, and this is it. This is how you curate Snapchat account. It's really easy, and this is it. So thank you guys.